Welcome, and thank you for your interest in citizenship and immigration events through the City of Seattle and its partner organizations. This brief video will provide an overview of what a citizenship workshop is, who can be helped during it, and how it works. Citizenship workshops are large, day-long legal clinics to help legal permanent residents become citizens. Workshops are staffed almost entirely by volunteers, like you. Our workshop focus will be on helping people become citizens. However, due to recent changes in immigration policy, there is a great deal of misinformation and concern in immigrant and refugee communities. Therefore, this clinic will also provide brief, one-on-one immigration legal consultations. People from all backgrounds have consultation questions and are interested in speaking to a lawyer. Please do not ask questions or make assumptions about the legal status of anyone seeking immigration consultations. You may be wondering who is eligible to receive services at the workshop. Firstly, there is no residency requirement. City-sponsored services focus on Seattle residents and workers, but we will not turn anyone away based on where they live. Secondly, there is no fee to participate in this event. Both the citizenship workshop and immigration consultations are absolutely free, including any time spent with lawyers. Finally, for citizenship services, volunteer attorneys will first make sure the participant is eligible. The basic requirements are that the applicant is 18 years of age or older and has had a green card for a certain length of time, usually 5 years or more. For more information on requirements, please watch the Citizenship Overview video in this series. Again, the workshop will be divided into two areas, citizenship assistance and immigration consultations. Some people will want to go through both parts. Regardless of which services a participant wants to use, they will go through the same basic registration as a first step to determine which line to wait in first. The citizenship part of the workshop is a long process, with each participant moving through several stations. After the basic registration, the participant goes through these steps. Number 1, screening. Here, an attorney reviews the basics of the participant's background to ensure they can be helped at the workshop. Number 2, forms. An experienced volunteer will help the participant fill out the 20-page N400 citizenship application form. Number 3, quality review. At this station, an experienced immigration lawyer double-checks the completed N400 application. Number 4, copying and packaging. At this step, we make copies of the application for the participant's records and even prepare their mailing envelopes. At the end of this step, we hope the participant will be ready to include their application fee and be able to mail the package right away. 5th is exit. This is a final step where volunteers say farewell to each participant and make sure that we collect the yellow tracking sheet that is used throughout the day. For more detail, see the video titled The Importance of the Tracking Sheet. Please note that at any point during the process, a participant may have a red flag issue come up due to their application information. This does not mean that they are automatically unable to complete the rest of the workshop. For instance, an applicant might be unable to find their past travel records or needs to locate court records from a different state. In these cases, the participant may be referred to the complex cases station. After meeting with highly experienced attorneys in this area, the participant will either be able to proceed with the rest of the workshop or receive an outside referral to complete their application. Applying to be a U.S. citizen is an extremely serious process. A rejected application can have larger impacts than disappointment or loss of money spent on the process. In the worst case, it can mean losing legal status and even risk of deportation. Please be aware of this while volunteering, and remember that every volunteer role is important to ensuring participant safety and success. The immigration consultation part of the workshop is a much shorter process. No pre-registration is required, and no identifying data will be gathered to protect the privacy of clients. There will be an initial, very basic intake survey, then an area with attorneys stationed at tables to provide 15 to 20-minute individual consultations. Throughout the workshop, our goal is for every participant to receive sound advice, clear next steps, and an outstanding service experience. Everyone should be treated with dignity, patience, and respect. Sharing your time means that hundreds of people will learn more about their rights, take the next step to becoming citizens, and hopefully live with greater peace of mind. Without you, this would not be possible. Thank you for helping us ensure that Seattle continues to be a welcoming city.